My name's Ben Cook. I'm a Senior Design Manager working for Kier Construction, and I was lucky enough to be involved in the Emily Siddon Building from the beginning of when Kier were appointed as the principal contractor.
The Emily Siddon Building consists of 5 floors. Ground floor, we have the pioneering Community Diagnostic Centre, which is a partnership with the NHS.
On the first floor, that's the medical imaging training. So there's a live working X-ray, so simulation, ultrasound and MRI.
Then we have dental therapy and dental hygiene. We've got a fallow floor on the 3rd floor.
And then on the 4th floor is the Innovation Centre, which is a department for local innovation start-up businesses.
NHS England had a major strategic objective of moving community diagnostic centres out of main hospital buildings and into the communities they serve.
The idea was to bring education, healthcare and innovation into one integrated hub. It's a pathway for pupils to come, they can learn, they can train, and then they can go back to the Community Diagnostic Centre and do industry experience or work placement.
My name's Olivia and I'm studying dental hygiene and dental therapy at Huddersfield University. Now that the Emily Siddon Building's complete, 100% of our course takes place here. The specialised facilities to the phantom head clinics and the labs, actually choosing Huddersfield to study at, this was the main reason for me. It's a brand new purpose-built facility just for us.
Having a new building, new facilities, we're extremely lucky. I do believe there's no other course provider that has a community dental service that runs their services within the university building, so we're really excited to forge ahead with that partnership.
When I first walked into the building, I thought, wow, it's just really nice, airy, bright, all the glass facade on the front. It's a fantastic modern state-of-the-art facility for our patients and our staff to work in.
I really like the fact that it's got the natural daylight coming in. It makes coming in enjoyable.
The students love it. It's a nice open space. There's lots of comfortable areas for the students to sit in between lectures.
It makes you feel like you want to learn and you want to get the best out of yourself.
There was multiple stakeholders involved in this project, the Calderdale and Huddersfield NHS Trust, the university and the Allied Health, and then there was also on the 4th floor the Buckley Innovation Centre.
And managing all those different stakeholders was really complex, so what we were looking for in a contractor is somebody that's non-adversarial. That is absolutely key, is collegiate and collaborative in their approach, is mindful of all the stakeholder needs. Once Kier took over, we were confident very, very early that we got the right team.
We really needed to make sure that they were brought on this journey, and when we presented and played back the proposals to them, that we'd really met their vision. We had fortnightly workshops, we had engagement sessions, and it was really making sure that every element of the design was considered to make sure that the shared vision was met for the building.
Working relationship with Kier was absolutely fantastic. From day one, they showed their healthcare experience, purchasing of the equipment, getting all the equipment on site, delivered, trying to program all that has been an incredible achievement for all. They really brought us on the journey. There was actually a big shout out I wanted to give to a gentleman called Ben Cook, who was a design manager, who was absolutely fantastic, and the team couldn't speak highly enough about him.
The single biggest important driver on the project was finishing on time, and whatever David, Sean, Ben and the guys did, that team worked miracles. They managed to get all them to pull together to deliver the job.
For me, there's a huge sense of pride and satisfaction in this job. It's fantastic to sit here and say, we finished on time, we finished on budget, the quality is really good and everyone's really proud, and we can also say that we did it safely. Knowing what a positive impact it's going to have on the town, the pupils and the patients, it is a project that I will cherish and take with me for the rest of my career.